The next game is this or that. I'll give you two options, ma'am. Pick whichever you think makes more sense or is more essential. So, a new parent attending to newborn cries or a toddler's tantrums.
So I have to get this. What?
Which is more important to attend to? Newborn's cries or toddler's tantrums?
Newborn cries.
Okay. And breastfeeding on demand or strict feeding schedule?
On demand.
Okay. A pacifier or thumb suckling?
Thumb sucking.
Okay. Messy self-feeding or organized neat spoon feeding?
Responsive feeding, which is messy feeding.
Okay. Feeding milk through bottle or spoon and glass?
Spoon and glass.
Okay.
Bottles have to be avoided because you have more infections.
Okay.
So definitely we say avoid bottles.
Okay. And mild massages or deep oil massages before bath?
Mild massages.
Okay.
Whichever should be comfortable for the baby. So it's usually the mild massage which the baby enjoys.
That goes against our ancient ritual, wherein the more the baby cries, the better.
No, actually the ancient rituals also, when they're done in a very experienced way, you find some of them doing it. Babies are quieted down. In fact, they sleep by the end of the massage.
Okay.
So when they do all those, all on the joints, and they do it in a good job. So even the fine massage or a slow massage, whatever it is, has to be done with a lot of, again, I would say consciousness, to see how the baby is feeling, how the baby is responding to it. So it's not like any type of massage, it's the way the baby likes it and responds to the massage.
So this is where I think we can talk about our post-pregnancy workshops, ma'am. So much information like this gets twisted and it's not passed on right to the next generations. We have two different kinds of post-pregnancy workshops. The first is for the new mom who just gave birth and the baby's age is between 0 to 6 months old, and the second workshop is for 6 to 24 months old, because the care and nutritional needs, everything is different, and it's a beautiful blend of ancient wisdom, modern medical science. So please do visit our website and check it out.